This is what to do if you're driving during a blizzard and get stuck on the highway. If you can, pull over to the shoulder and make yourself visible to rescuers by tying a bright colored cloth to your antenna and turning the ceiling lights on in your car. If you can't see far and it's really cold out, stay in your car instead of walking to go get help. You could easily become disoriented and lost. To stay warm, turn your car on for 10 minutes each hour and crack your window to get fresh air into the car. If the snow's getting deep, make sure to get out and check that the exhaust pipe isn't getting covered by it.